Going on the road. Going on the road. Going on the road with Harley and Mona. RV broke.
Good morning.
Good morning.
It's a beautiful day here where we are. Beautiful on the outside.
It's cold.
It's very cold.
Yeah.
It is cold. So we have a story to tell. You go, dear.
Well, we made an appointment with Alliance to get some stuff fixed in the trailer. It had like a little, I don't know, above the side rear entry door, there's a little bubble there. And the guy at Alliance, we went in there and I showed him the stuff that we had made the appointment back, and I tried to do it in November, and they said I had to wait 2 months before, and I said I wasn't going to come here in the winter time, so we waited till February so I could make the appointment in April. And so our appointment was April 7th, or April 8th.
Mm-hmm. April 8th.
April 8th, I dropped it off, and then we had traveled for a week to go see our daughter and stuff, and he said it would take about a week and a half to fix. And we came back after a week, and the trailer had only got into the shop 2 days earlier, he said. So it had been sitting there for 5 days. And nobody was working on it.
Yeah.
And they had made the appointment for that date. And then we get a call 2 days ago.
So, yeah.
Yeah. So then...
Right.
And they're supposed to call us and contact us when it's done. And the guy says, oh, yeah, you've got something going on here. He lifted the front, and he said, we got to weld some bracing in the trailer. It's a 23 trailer, new trailer.
Mm-hmm. We've had it a year.
Yeah, just a year.
We've been parked mostly with it.
Yeah, for
though
5
I would
months.
say, like,
Yeah.
for the most part.
Yeah, for 8 months out of the year, it's been parked, and we traveled for, or 7 months and traveled for 3.
So it hasn't been on the road that much.
Anyways, he said he had to weld some bracing, pull the sides off, and weld some bracing in there. He said, okay. And he said, yeah, we're going to get to it. As soon as this other trailer's out, we'll get to it, and we'll give you a call. So then 2 days ago, I got a call, and I thought, oh,
Trailer's done.
Yeah, because so he called up, and he said, well, we can't fix it. I said, what do you mean? Well, it's a problem with the frame, the Lippert frame, where the axles sit. The trailer bows in the front and the back, and it's splitting the walls inside and stuff, and that's what the wrinkle. He said they jacked the back of the trailer up, and that wrinkle went away. So it's got to go to Lippert for frame repair.
So when we dropped it off, though, we noticed that some things had gotten worse. Like there was a rip in the bathroom.
Well, that had been there.
Wall. Oh, okay.
Yeah. It's just the screws and staples are coming out. The wall is twisting. So the whole frame's going like this, so the whole body is twisting. So I don't know how they're going to tighten the top up. I mean, so he said something about they have to go to Lippert, they have to pull the axles off of it, jack it up, heat the frame, and then bend the frame back down straight, and then put in gussets. And Alliance said they can't do it. It's not their problem. Lippert made the frame. And so now he's trying to get an appointment with Lippert. He told us 2 days ago that he made an appointment because they're closed on the weekend. He made an appointment Thursday for a guy, and it's March 1st to bring the trailer. May 1st. I'm sorry, May 1st. Yeah. So now I'm assuming ours is probably going to be May 4 or 5, and then Lippert needs it for 4 or 5 days, and then it's got to go back to Alliance, and then they have to repair the inside. So we're without a home for a month and a half, and that's not right.
Yeah, no.
I mean, Alliance sold us a trailer, and they say they warranty it, but they can't warranty this problem because it's a Lippert product, not so.
Right. So is it a fix, or is it just is it a mend?
Yeah, it's going to be a mend.
And how reliable is it?
Yeah, they can straighten the frame. The frame will be fine when they gusset it and put a torque tube or whatever in it. But the trouble is, because it's been going like this, all the stuff on top's going to be loose. And the walls move, everything.
Everything that shifted because of it, how are they going to fix that? So,
and even if you fix the frame, I don't see how that's going to be fixed. I called him back again, and he's a nice guy. He calls me back again. I said, do they do buyback? He said, I've never seen a buyback or a total out. I mean, the frame's all twisted, and it's only not even, that happened even before it was a year old.
Yeah.
And I'm not overloading it. I'm way underweight. I think I have 1,500 pounds in the back, and it's rated for 3,000. So, I got 2 motorcycles back there. That's it, and a couple e-bikes. So, anyways, here we sit.
Yeah, here we sit.
And that's $100.
Wow,
a night,
there's
plus food
no
and-
one to speak for us. It's us against Alliance and Lippert.
Alliance is putting the blame on Lippert. And I didn't make the deal with Lippert. I made the deal with Alliance.
Yes,
So,
I know. So it's just like,
yeah, it's not good.
yeah. So we're here till
Any good
probably,
any good lawyers out there?
I know. Really, anyone that can help us. Give us any suggestions. Anybody who has this problem with Alliance. I don't know. Maybe it's a bigger issue than
Yeah, it is.
they're
Yeah,
telling.
because it's not just Alliance, it's all the other ones.
It's all
too,
Lippert
yeah.
stuff, right?
Anything Lippert, yeah. They
Yeah.
underbuilt the frame.
Yeah.
I'm a fabricator and welder, so and I've looked at some of the welds that they do, and they're not welders, the people in there. They're not certified, I can tell you that, because they're doing cold welds. It's not, the wire's got to be turned down or the heat up, because it's just kind of a. Anyways.
So it's been. It's been stressful. It's just like, wow. It's kind of like, is it the same as having your home hit by a tree?
Yeah. Well, I would have taken
tornado.
If I'd have known it was going to be a month and a half, we would have taken more stuff out.
Right.
To live with, because we got 2 weeks.
We have 2 weeks worth of
clothes. So.
Clothes.
And no real utensils or anything, or no plates, cups, salt. We didn't take anything because we thought it was going to be up to 2 weeks.
Yeah.
And now we're 5 hours away from there, in many toll roads.
Yes, tolls are crazy.
Yeah.
So anyway, that's where we're at.
Our story, and we're sticking to it.
Yes. So
Anybody, please help. What's that? You can
help
set
us.
up a GoFundMe account.
Yeah, GoFundMe. Go
How
fund
about
Harley and
GoFund
Ramona.
Alliance so they can buy better frames?
No.
Oh.
We already funded Alliance. Anyway, so that's where we're at. We just wanted to let you know what's up with us. So
That's it.
we will
Happy Sunday.
time to go to church.
Yeah.
We'll keep you up to date. So
Right.
Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing and liking and all those things.
Okay.
So, all right. Okay, bye.
Going on the road with Harley and Ramona. RV broke.